This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to make your very own Hidem Gimp.
Hi, I'm Eric Grant from Sailrite. Today we're going to be showing you how to make your own Hidem Gimp. Hidem Gimp is often used to hide an edge of a piece of upholstery or on the bottom side of cushions. If you look between these two seams here, there's a staple that has been stapled into this, and the seam basically covers the staple, so it gives a nice finished look. If you need Hidem Gimp, Sailrite does sell Hidem Gimp in a variety of colors and also brands. But the vinyl that you select may not be available in the color or brand that you want, and it's easy to make your own Hidem Gimp. In this video, we're going to show you how it's done. What you want to do is you want to take some of your seating vinyl and lay it so that the wrong side is up, the back side of it. Then you want to take your clear acrylic ruler and place it 2.5 inches from the straight edge that you cut and strike a line. Now we just cut upon that line that's 2.5 inches from the edge. So now with your strip laying nice and straight, take your clear acrylic ruler and strike a line 3/4 inch away from the cut edge. We're using a pencil on the back side of the vinyl. Next, strike a line 1¼ inch away from that same edge. So this puts a line right in the center. All the way down its length. Then from this cut edge, measure in again 3/4 inch and strike a line all the way down its length. I recommend using 3/8 inch seam stick for canvas. I know this is not canvas, but it sticks like a son of a gun, and that's more important. So we'll put it down both edges as close to that edge as possible without going over the edge. Peel off the transfer paper, revealing the glue, and then fold this edge over to the line that you struck, this 3/4 inch line. I like to reverse the panel around, and we'll baste the other side in the same manner. Now we'll put basting tape on both long edges, with the basting tape approximately 1/8 inch away from the edge, the folded edge of the vinyl. We'll peel off the transfer paper, revealing the glue, and then fold this to the center line that we struck. This creates Hidem Gimp that is just a little bit more than 3/4. We're using the Ultrafeed LSZ1 sewing machine, and you can set the stitch length to anything you want. I typically set the stitch length to whatever I sewed my project with. I'm going to move the needle to the right position here, and we're going to sew it in straight stitch. I'm going to hold my trailers, and I'm going to guide the edge of the vinyl right along this outer foot. I'm using whatever color thread you want. For this, I'm using black, and I prefer using a V92 polyester thread for this. Now I'll flip it around and I'll sew the opposite side on the same side of the presser foot. That way my stitch is exactly in the same spot. Now our Hidem Gimp is ready for application via a staple in the center. Now we're ready to use the Hidem Gimp. Just open up the center channel and staple in place.
If you have any questions, feel free to email or give us a call. We're glad to help.